topic is teeth. Teeth are important to us as they help us to chew the food and speak clearly. It also gives good look to our face. We have two sets of teeth. First one is temporary and the second one is permanent. The first teeth of baby are called baby teeth or milk teeth. The baby teeth or milk teeth or deciduous teeth are temporary teeth. The milk teeth start to fall around 6 years old. Another set of teeth grows in place of milk teeth. These are known as permanent teeth. Adults have 32 permanent teeth, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. As you can see in the picture, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Baby have 20 teeth. They do not have molar teeth. Our teeth are of different sizes and shapes as you can see in the picture. Types of teeth. The first one is incisor, second one is canine, and third one is premolar, and the last one is molar. Incisor, canine, premolars and molars. Incisors, canine, premolars and molars. The sharp, flat teeth present in the front of the mouth. We have 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. They are used for biting and cutting food into small chewable pieces as you can see in the picture. The sharp and pointed teeth present next to the incisors or in both the jaw. We have 4 canine teeth in our mouth, 2 in each jaw. They are used for tearing and ripping of food, as you can see in the picture. Premolars are the flat and broad teeth located next to the canines. We have 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw. They are bigger, stronger, and have ribs which trap and crush the food, as you can see in the picture. Molars are large, flat teeth present next to the premolars. We have 12 molars in our mouth, 6 molars in each jaw. As compared to the premolars, molars are bigger, wider and have ridge. They are used for chewing and greeting the food as shown in the picture. We provide MCQs on each topic. So after watching the videos, watch out related MCQs. Thank you.